At a recent meeting between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, and the MDC of MAWHATI constituency, Charles MARNGAR, on the 19th of August 2021, a discussion had taken place on the deployment of additional central forces at BHOI'S UMMAT village so as to prevent the incursion of Assam police forces in the area. However, an incident had occurred at Umlaper village on the evening of 23rd August, where it was learned that 3 boys had been beaten up by Assam police and also harassed for unknown reasons. The MDC of MAWHATI constituency, Charles MARNGAR, while visiting the area this morning, had met the boys and after inquiring about the previous night's incident, appealed to the residents of Umlaper to maintain peace and harmony, even as talks are ongoing to settle the border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam.
Superintendent of Police jongi SP Belawan sini ba en lamare nangta I additional DC jongi I ba tongper nangta I magistrate jongi border magistrate ba Brahma nangta DSP jongi diki officer gi bewan lang kini kapor bar khoi jago police department iso ban ai kublei ki kumjuru yo SP jong ka hamran ki ai kublei lang jingi kwa aban pentip EP kumne hadin ge jingi kren ba nakaliang jong SP jong ka Assam ro ula kongo banweng no ya kaniga gate bat banombo police yo hangni yeto tang kawai pade nga kerpat EP ipai ba nong snong bai kila itip ba kadang don hafreng jong jingi penbai put bai samboro artli ban Meghalaya bat Assam kinamar kata nakaliang jong piru pidehi ban ban yai don akor don borom menmit menyong ro kerpat ikna samla menmit menyong pimde ban yai badikian so naman ngidang pun put baik samanta kemdai ban nilek kelumar menmit menyong like setang ladon emergency bapang basitom so gimdai ban nilek kelumar te pi lek nok siing songsuk siing te nakaliang jongang ai kublai pi baro ba pi dong pi baslor ban yawan lang kering singi te jingi teli galong ka bor tengah ai kublai session pat police jongi adu SP badon borom jongi magistrate jongi border magistrate nang tai ADC jongi bat punjuk nakaliang Assam DSP jongi I ba phawa bade in charge jong malos nai outpost ya ai kublai ki baro ki bala simkhia banwan baniarap nak mentajung pi tingi ai kublai ya pi baro I pai ba nong susnong ye lek song no saying wat mi permit jong kelumar so kular em kumta to lek no saying na kaliang jong police department jongi kila suthuk ai bade banle te pi lek song no saying tangkum ta kublai sikun.
While awaiting the arrival of police officials of both Meghalaya and Assam, a verbal encounter had occurred between a police officer from Assam and the MDC of MAWHATI, who was insulted and shown disrespect in the presence of the public.
Ngadon hangni hakasnong Umlaper. Temenem step hakapor kumba praba JA layo jingtip ba kadon gajing ya kelumar hangni. Kadau jong gajing ya kelumar hangni kadai gajing don gini ke polis hangni. I hagi tu gisngi gini ke CRP kilami non hangni adin gajing ya keren baro arngut ki SP jong gari bohoi bat ke hamran plus ru nakaliang jong ka sarkar jala jong iru kala simkhiai adin gajing ya kendo bat chief minister ini ke CRPF kilami no te hagabai dei bat kani ka jingjam dagasngi kali jano ba menemen nakaliang jong ki pulit ki ba syong hangni kisyo yawai ukna kasi jong kidon arngot kali but uwai padeu de bala sa syok ko wai pat ko kidon hadok laingot ikani ke jing syok ke jong ki kala penmi ke jing kelumar but menem step dang step prawa jeng alayo ke jing tip bat ngawan hangni menta bat ngalapoi na do mene ke por step si post deng tu bat haga jing poi jong ahni ngai ibo pai ba nong song snong jong ni kilai teli snong ka pedeng telej ka umat bat ka Umlaper kilai don hangni kilai pen prai kini ka gate ka basna do pulit jong ka Assam bat kilai atur hangni kini ka yeng ka IB ka badon kini ki pulit jong ka Assam tena kaliang ka jonga nga penram jor ye ka jingle jong kini ka pulit Assam bat kini ka jingle ka long illegal namar kat kum ka jingle kran baro arut ki SP jong ka riboy bak hamran kalong baya ka patrolling hi both side ngimla ban khang kami kalia jongi kala ban wan yai patrolling ka Assam kala ban yai patrolling namar ka disputed tehen rai ke jingle jong ka Assam hangni pade ban bu igni police hangni kalong illegal Tinggi sengok kemen ba mentang hadin ke jingwan ke jongi hang ni. Nak liang USP jongi lapoi hang ni, SP jongi riboi, DSP beri in charge hang ni lapoi. Border magistrate jongi lapoi. Nang tade ADC jongi lapoi hang ni. Tinggi sengok kemen ba nak liang jongi police department, nak liang ke district administration jongi. Kila sim ye kani ke kam. Kebakirki banwan sane daladehi bat hadin ke jingwan ke jongki kilai penbaik kilai keren hapreng USP jongi bat USP jongka Hamren Assam bat kilai penbaik bade banweng nak sindan ni ke gate banadu mentag sengi ke ni ke gate kam dan shu hang ni bat ye kini ke pulit ki basong hang ni ro kila de ban withdraw no bakin pha no bat mentag kilai song ye ke beding ke jongki ban lek phai no te ya mentah ke long tangkat ta ke jingi keren hang ni kalong ke jingkir pat nak liang jonga sai silpat ke sarkar jela ke jongi kumju ru nak kerpat ke sarkar Assam ba kumbangi la keren panora ke songsok songsan hang ni kat badang ya ke jingkir baik put baik sam.
After matters were settled, the MDC of MAWHATI constituency, Charles Marngar, termed the deployment of police forces at Umlaper village by the Assam government as illegal. On the other hand, Marngar expressed his gratitude to the police officials of both states for their prompt response to the incident. He also expressed his gratitude to Assam police officials for their agreement on the withdrawal of police forces from Umlaper village.
Border area, in border area, it is not kind of such type of politics or social activists should be enter here. Not kind of social activists should be enter here. It is only for security purpose. In border area, it should not be allowed. Here, no need of campaigning all these things. No need of campaigning. Unfortunately, it happens. So important
in the committee.
It is actually for us. Actually for us.
I'm one of the member of the boundary committee.
It is for us. It is not.
I know better
here
than you.
No.
Because I am in the boundary committee.
According to us,
So
according to us, it is
just
our.
keep quiet. Let your additional
Here, no need to do such type of politician.
No.
Even we can talk about security purpose, security
Yes.
level. We can talk about. I have no right to talk with you. And also here, no need to discuss about all these things, politics. It is not the right time to do politics.
This is my responsibility.
It's
This
not
is
a responsibility.
my people.
It does not.
My
It is not
people.
responsibility.
all
It is
my
not
people.
responsibility.
This is all my
You just you will
people.
create
No,
such type of panic problem here. It is not a responsible, huh? Politics coming here, it is completely. It is not a good thing. Yeah, you are politician and you are
I am a
entering here.
politician.
It is.
But you also.
You are not my politician.
No.
You are no right to stay here. If I can talk
You
with
are from
SP or DSP or
You are not my
OCIC.
people. This is my
OCIC.
people.
How you can say that you are people?
This is all my people.
This is completely who will
All
this
my
us
people.
brought-
All my people.
You never
No,
used to do.
all my people.
You just please come.
Don't say like that. No.
You just
I'll
please
stand
go.
here because I'm waiting
It is-
for
it
my
is not.
magistrate.
Yet,
and all.
yet no
I'm
question.
waiting.
Yet politics no sole. Yet border area.